Howdy guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a DIY hair and face mask. The ingredients I'm going to use is you can easily find it in your kitchen, and yeah, which is very convenient. And for hair mask, I'm going to use 4 ingredients. And for face mask, I'm going to use for only 2 ingredients. So yeah, let's get started.
You'll need big bowl, plain yogurt, any brand that you like, 1 egg, brown or white will do, honey about 1.5 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can also use olive oil. Put more if you have super dry hair and less if you have oily hair. Mix it up until paste like so. You can do any method you want on how are you going to put it in your hair, but this is how I like to do it. It's kinda like coloring your hair. Anyway, the hair color I have now is I just color it using crepe paper. If you haven't seen my video on how to dye your hair with crepe paper, just click the link on the description below or click the link on the top right of this video. Thank you. Don't forget your scalp and give yourself a head massage. Cover your hair with shower cap only if you have one, then let it sit for 30 minutes. And now for face mask ingredients, you'll need small bowl, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, and half tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use olive oil as well. The coffee face mask is an excellent exfoliator, which is help reduces acne, even stretch marks. It's also rich with antioxidants that make your skin smoother and brighter. This mask also is good for every skin type. Let it sit for 20 minutes.
It's like dirt on my face. And yeah, I think I'll see you later.
It's time to wash the coffee face mask off, and the mask has dried up, so you need to wet your fingers with water and do a circular motion on your face like so. After doing this face mask, you'll immediately see the result. Your skin feels so soft, smooth, and supple. I think they're kinda like the same words, but yeah, your skin will be smoother more than ever.
So I'm going to wash my hair now and see you later. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just wrapped my hair with a cotton t-shirt. If you've seen me in my past video, I always wrap my hair with cotton t-shirt, and I just gonna put on the description below why I always do this. And I'm just gonna dry my hair naturally today. After doing this DIY hair mask, I'm telling you, you're gonna love the result immediately. I do this routine once every 2 weeks, but you can do once a month as well. Before I wash it, I massage my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes or so. And I'm also using 3 types of shampoo. And I'm using this coconut oil for a natural conditioner. And for more info, I'm just gonna put on the description below. Yes, and now for the face mask, I'm doing this routine once a week, but I'm not only doing the coffee scrub like I did earlier. So I'm thinking to make another video about DIY face mask that I do or use, which is you can easily or probably find in your kitchen. So, for more info again, I'm just gonna put on the description below because I'm on the rush. Before I say bye, gusto ko lang batiin yung mga nagpapa-shoutout sa akin, mga kaibigan ko and family. So, magtatagalog na po ako ngayon. Sorry. So, first is my nephew, Beans. Hello there. Pakabait ka palagi. And Morial family. Hello, everyone. Thank you for your support. And my friend in Davao, Lovely and si Doy. Hello, wasalak. Wasalak if you know what it mean. So, hello, pakabait din kayo dyan. Ingat-ingat kayo dyan. And sa mga kaibigan ko dito sa Thailand na sina Yang, Alisa, Barbie, and Ate Wina, thank you so much for your support. And hindi muna tayo magkikita-kita ngayon kasi alam mo na kailangan natin magstay home for the good cause. Good cause? Okay. And for my friend, he's not from, okay, he's in Vietnam right now, but he's Filipino. Jeff, hello there, I miss you so much. And yeah, I think that's it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestion or question, please just comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And see you on my next video. So I love you all. Bye.